This is الدرس الحادي عشر of كتاب أدوات الربط. So we're on lesson 11 of the connectors. And in this lesson, we're looking at نظرا لي and بسبب, along with بفضل and نظرا لأن. So in this exercise number 1, you're going to choose between نظرا لي and بسبب. Now, one of the things that you should know about نظرا لي and بسبب is that they can be used interchangeably. However, بسبب oftentimes is followed by a shorter clause. And نظرا لي can be used at the beginning of a sentence. Remember, we also have نظرا لأن as well, but we're not going to use that here. So in number 1, لقد أصبح سهلا أن ينتقل الناس من مكان إلى مكان blank تنوع وسائل المواصلات. So it has become easy for people to move from place to place, blank the variety of means of transportation. Number 2, هاجر كثير من اللبنانيين من لبنان blank ظلم العثمانيين لهم. So many Lebanese immigrated from Lebanon, blank the oppression of the Ottomans towards them. Number 3, لقد اعتذر الأستاذ عن إلقاء المحاضرة blank مرضه. So the professor excused himself from giving the lecture blank his illness. Number 4, لقد ألغيت الرحلة blank سوء الأحوال الجوية. The trip was cancelled blank the bad weather conditions. Number 5, 5 blank كثرة العمل في المصنع فقد عين المدير 3 عمال جدد. Blank the abundance of work in the factory, the manager appointed 3 new workers. Number 6, سقطت الوزارة blank عدم حصولها على ثقة ممثلي الشعب أو سقطت الوزارة. So the ministry fell or dissolved, blank the absence of its or its inability to obtain the trust of the representatives of the people. In number 7, إنسان العصر الحديث يعيش مشكلات نفسه ومشكلات غيره وذلك blank تقريب المسافات بين الدول. So the person of the modern period deals with or lives the problems of himself or deals with his own problems and the problems of others, and that is blank the shortness of the distance between countries, or the shortening of the distance between countries, i.e. in terms of like telecommunications, etc. 8 لقد انتشرت الكتب والصحف blank تيسر الطباعة. The books and newspapers have become widespread, blank the ease of printing. Number 9, كان ترتيبه الأول في الامتحان وذلك blank استذكاره الدائم لدروسه. His first rank in the exam, he had first rank in the exam, and that is blank his constant memorization of his lessons. 10 تعطلت سيارتهم في الطريق blank نفاد الوقود. Their car broke down on the road, blank the the loss of fuel. Number 11, blank سوء الإدارة فقد أفلست الشركة, blank bad management, the company went bankrupt. Number 12, لم أنام ليلة أمس, blank الناموس في غرفتي, I didn't sleep last night, blank the mosquitoes in my room. So hopefully the meanings there will help you to choose whether to write نظرا لي or بسبب. Again, بسبب usually is used before a shorter noun phrase, and نظرا لي precedes a longer noun phrase, as well as also being able to begin a sentence. مع السلامة.